How to create a new connector. Let's start on the dashboard. To add a connector, you have to click on the connector tile. You will be navigated to the connector overview, where you can click on the plus icon on the right to add a new connector. At first, you have to fill out some general information about the connector type. Add a name, choose the connector type that you need, the connector is set to active by default. You can set the timeout in seconds. This is the time until the connector request will run. After the set timeout, the request will be discontinued. The default value is 60 seconds. And you have to choose the result type. In most cases, it's multiple results. In the next step, you can choose one of the existing login methods or add a new one by clicking on the plus icon. You can skip the login method if no authentication to the backend interface is necessary. In the last step, you have to fill out the specific data of the connector type. The specific data differs for each connector type. You can get more information of the specific data in our online documentation. To create the new connector, click on Save. You can now search for it in the connector overview. There you have the possibilities to show the connector usage, get a detail view, edit, show the connector calls, copy or delete the connector.